Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents on your S24 Ultra. First, open the document you need to sign, whether it's a PDF or an image file, using Samsung Notes or a dedicated PDF viewer. The S Pen offers excellent precision, making your digital signature look just like your handwritten one. This process eliminates the need for printing, signing, and scanning, saving you valuable time and effort. Let's dive into the steps to get this done efficiently. Once your document is open, pull out your S Pen to activate Air Command. From there, select the pen icon within your document viewing application. You can zoom in on the signature line for better accuracy. Choose your preferred pen thickness and color, typically black, to ensure your signature is clear and legible. The S Pen's pressure sensitivity provides a natural writing experience, similar to signing on paper. After you've completed your signature, look for the three dots or a save icon, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Tap this to access your saving options. It's recommended to save your document as a PDF to maintain its format and integrity. You can then easily share the newly signed PDF directly from your phone via email, messaging applications, or cloud storage services. This streamlines your workflow, especially for important contracts or forms. While Samsung Notes works well, you might explore third-party applications like DocuSign or Adobe Sign for more advanced features, especially if you handle many documents. Many of these apps offer free versions or trials, allowing you to sign a certain number of documents without cost. These tools often provide additional options like adding text fields or checkboxes. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Utilizing these tips will make signing documents on your S24 Ultra quick and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.